Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, August 16th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. I do want to point out this chart here, this weekly chart, 197.70, the 1-year descending channel top. Now, a couple of weeks ago, we collapsed below this formation, but we didn't close the week below it. And so, my system and most systems are settlement based. And on the weekly chart, we never settled in a sell signal by having closed back below that channel top. We closed pretty much right at it, and we've been pulling away to the upside. Now, the real buy signal, as you're probably well aware, was the settlement about a week ago. A week ago Thursday, week ago yesterday, above the descending 1/3 speed line, is now well below the market at 180.21. We're just showing this to still remind you that we are in a buy signal into the 220s, 225.53, a descending 2/3 speed line that may actually be in reach today if we can push above 216 even. 216 even is an upside 3/8 Fibonacci. We still have it as a session containment level because we could back away from here today, but I'm just exercise a little caution here. We are expecting 225.53 as an objective. I don't know if we'll see it today. If we push through or open above 216 even, then yes, I would expect a 225.53 intraday. This speed line able to contain buying through next week, and from here we can fall away to some variation of this rising channel structures at 195.51 preceded by 200.68. And in fact, it is the holding below 216 even that allows the market to fall back into this band of channel support over the next day or two, potentially today. I see no sign of weakness or any indication that that will occur, but we did bump our head up into a classic Fibonacci level, and we've already tested it, actually 215.88. We rallied to within 12 ticks of it. So holding below it does allow this area. I don't see a sign of weakness, but if the market does fall back, you know where to buy it. I'm talking to day traders and 3 to 5 day swing traders. 195.51 is your support, able to contain selling into next week, and once tested, we can round back up quite easily to the 225.53 descending 2/3 speed line. Once again, that 225.53 descending 2/3 speed line, lots of words there, remains a 1 to 2 week objective anyway, following the settlement a week ago yesterday above the 180.21 speed line. So this is our 3 to 5 day ping pong back and forth. 225.53, if we close above it, I do see that as a buy signal that should play out through September trade within 1 to 2 months, 286.60 and climbing. Now there is a former channel bottom similar to what we're seeing in NVIDIA right now, where you've got a descending 2/3 speed line and a former channel bottom that we've yet to retrace up to. We do have this as a session containment level, and this will be kind of an easier trade. Right now you could still call it kind of a range, but I will say that if we close above 225.53, you should just consider this, and still only consider this like a session containment level potentially. I think it'll be ripe for violation within a day, 2 or 3 of closing above 225.53. But if this market does rally significantly today, if first and foremost we happen to push or open above that 216 even 3/8 Fibonacci, 255.53 likely where we could top out through next week. 3 to 5 day swing traders can sell 255.53 in anticipation of 195.51, where profits can be taken, long entry made on a 3 to 5 day basis. We could do the 3 to 5 day time frame inside of this area through next week. But once again, closing above 225.53, we are expecting bullish continuation into the 280s and climbing over the next 1 to 2 months, probably the better part of 2 months. And yes, on the way, 233.77 will still carry meaning. A week and a half, 2 weeks from now, this area will spread out nicely. And so, but closing above 233.77 is yet another sign of bullish continuation, which we would expect anyway. Last time I'm going to say it, above 225.53. Now for the downside, I don't see it happening today, but this market has shown high volatility moves, especially that July high. So if we were to close today below 195.51, that is your downside pivot point into September trade, which is about 2 weeks from now. And so if we were to close below 195.51, same formation on this chart, we do see 167.41 within 2 to 3 weeks, and within a couple of months, the upper 120s in reach, following a settlement below 195.51. Is there anything else to say besides what I already have? Sorry about that. I don't think so. I don't see us closing above 225.53 today, but it's certainly possible into early next week. It's possible today. I don't want to say it's not possible, but I do see it as a sellable level into next week. Unless we close above it, then we're expecting meaningful gains as we move into September. I think I've said it all. I don't think there is anything else that needs to be said. So please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. I'll be back Sunday afternoon with Monday's Tesla report. You have a great weekend.